Ar ôl gadael yr ysgol, dewisiodd Katie Parry geisio gwireddu ei breuddwyd o redeg busnes trin gwall llwyddiannus. 4 years on, she has her own business, Katie's Salon in Bangor, which is so successful that she is planning to expand into larger premises in the new year. 23-year-old Katie attributes her success to the skills and knowledge she developed by completing foundation apprenticeships in hairdressing and barbering, and an additional apprenticeship in barbering through business at Llandrillo Menai. Trodd Rebecca Chatfield ei diddordeb mewn pobi yn swydd lawn amser gyda Bryd, the Danish Bakery, ym Mhont-Cana, Caerdydd. The 24-year-old graduate from Abertillery changed career direction after graduating in marine biology. She completed the Proficiency in Baking Industry Skills Apprenticeship, delivered by Cambrian Training, and is now considering a higher apprenticeship in Food Manufacturing Excellence. Dywedodd sefydlydd Bryd, Bettina Scofbro, fod Rebecca yn batrwm o Apprentice ac yn llysgenad gwych i'r cwmni. Mae Shane Ash sy'n Apprentice Perianneg yn defnyddio'i hyfforddiant a'i sgiliau i arbed amser ac arian i'w gyflogwr, Tata Steel. 26-year-old Shane from Risca has already saved more than £22,000 when managing a major project to manufacture and install a coil transfer car. Having completed a series of qualifications through Bridgend College, Coleg Gwent, and the University of South Wales, he is now working towards a higher apprenticeship level 4 and a BSc in mechanical engineering.